Welcome back. Let's read our next problem statement, that is problem number 4. It says we have been provided a customer tab delimited file at HDFS location and our job is to find out all the customer that lives in Kagos city. So the instructions are very simple and straightforward. The provided file is tab delimited and our job is to find out the customer that lives in Kagos city. Now let's move forward. It says the output schema should be something like this. We need customer ID, that should be of integer type. We need customer name, that should be of string type. And finally we need customer city, that is of string type. And then the output requirement says that the output should be saved at this location. It should be saved in Avro format and it should be saved with the deflate compression. So let's see the solution for this question. First of all, I'm going to create a sequence of the name of the columns that is required in the final output. So it needs customer underscore ID, customer underscore name and customer underscore city. Then I'm going to say spark.read.option. So basically my input file is a tab delimited file. I'm going to make use of the .csv API in which I can provide any type of delimiter and it is able to read my files. So I'm saying the separator in my file is tab and then I'm saying .csv and the input path. Once I have read my data frame, I wanted to apply this particular schema to my data. So there is a way to do that. I can say to_df and then provide this sequence here like this format. So this is one of the way to apply the column names to my input data frame. But this sequence should exactly match with the number of columns in my input data frame. Then only I will be able to do something like this. Okay. So once I have given the name to the columns of my input data frame, I just wanted to change the data type of my customer ID because in the output requirement I wanted the customer ID to be in the integer format. For that I am using this with column API and inside that I am using the cast method to cast the customer ID column into integer type. And to use this integer type I have to import org.apache.spark.sql.types._. So basically if you wanted to do any typecasting in the final output, then make sure you remember this import step. So once my column is typecasted, now I wanted to filter out all those customers that lives in Kagos city. So that's what I am using the filter API and saying city is equal to Kagos. Finally, I wanted to write my data in the compression deflate and the format Avro, and this is my final output location. Let me go and try running this problem statement on my Spark shell. So before saving it back to HDFS, let me show you the schema of my data frame. So I'll say print schema. Okay. So can you see my customer ID is of integer type and the rest of the columns are of string type, that is our output requirement. So we are safe to write this data frame back to HDFS. So I'm going to run the complete solution now, in which I will be compressing my output in deflate compression codec and in the Avro format. So let me run this now. Solution ran properly. Let me go to this output location and see what has been saved. So in here you can see .avro files have been saved here, but now you cannot see the .deflate compression. So sometimes you may get confused whether the compression has been properly applied or not. So in order to check that, you may have to use the Avro tools to check your final output. If you're sure, you can skip this step, but if you're not sure, you can make use of Avro tools. So that is all for this problem statement. Let me see you in the next lecture where we will solve our next problem statement.